Wondering why your home doesn't feel as high-end as you'd like?
Today, I am sharing 10 reasons your home might look cheap and, more importantly, how to fix it.
These tips are simple and budget-friendly, but will make a huge difference in making your space feel more polished.
1. Outdated light fixtures. One of the quickest ways to make a space feel cheap is old, outdated lighting.
Fixtures that haven't been updated in decades can age a room instantly. Swapping them for modern, sleek designs can really elevate your space without breaking the bank.
2. Poor quality furniture. If your furniture is flimsy or mismatched, it can make your entire room feel cheap.
Opt for fewer but better quality pieces. Second-hand shops or online marketplaces are great for finding affordable, sturdy furniture with character. 3.
Lack of cohesion in color schemes. Random colors and clashing patterns can make a home feel chaotic and unrefined.
Stick to a cohesive color palette, even if it's neutral, and use pops of color strategically. This will make your space look more put together and stylish.
4. Too much clutter.
Clutter instantly cheapens a room.
If your surfaces are covered in random items, it's time to declutter and organize. Simple storage solutions like baskets and shelves will make your home look cleaner and more sophisticated. 5. Visible cables and wires. Exposed wires and messy cables can make even a beautifully decorated room feel untidy and unfinished. Invest in cable management solutions or find ways to hide wires behind furniture for a cleaner, more polished look. 6. Cheap window treatments. Old or poorly fitting curtains and blinds can really bring down the appearance of your home. Invest in proper, well-fitted window treatments that match your decor. Even affordable curtains can make a big impact when chosen wisely. 7. Ignoring the entrance. The entrance to your home sets the tone for what's inside. A messy or neglected entryway gives a bad first impression. Simple updates like a clean welcome mat, potted plants, or even a fresh coat of paint on the front door can transform your home's entrance. 8. Mismatched or cheap hardware. Cabinet handles, door knobs, and light switches might seem like small details, but they make a big difference. Cheap or mismatched hardware can make your home look unfinished. Upgrading to stylish, modern hardware is an inexpensive way to add a touch of luxury. 9. Overly themed or trendy decor. While it's tempting to go all in on trends or themes, this can make your home feel dated quickly. Opt for timeless, versatile pieces and limit trendy items to accents like cushions or artwork that can be swapped out easily. 10. Bad paint job. A sloppy paint job or peeling paint can make your home feel neglected and cheap. Make sure walls are well painted with clean edges. If your walls are looking tired, give them a fresh coat of paint. This alone can dramatically improve the appearance of your space. So, there you have it, 10 reasons your home might look cheap and, more importantly, how to fix them. Outdated light fixtures, poor quality furniture, uncoordinated color schemes, too much clutter, visible cables, cheap window treatments, neglected entrance, mismatched hardware, overly themed decor, bad paint job. By tackling these simple fixes, you can instantly upgrade the look of your home without spending a fortune. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more home improvement ideas. Subscribe for more home improvement tips.